Mission Control to Regal. Status report.
Regal Mission Control. We are go for launch.
Go for launch. Initializing launch sequence.
Start the countdown.
Regal Research MIT, this is Jonathan. You sure? Not a problem. We can get to that part. Yes, the launch is still a go.
They need a new part. Okay, everyone, gather around.
Okay, y'all, listen up. Mission Control needs a new metal part ASAP. Today's mission is a no-go. Now, I don't have to tell you failure is not an option. We got less than an hour to get it done. Let's get to work.
Now that's a good part. Mission Control to Regal. The part was received and is in perfect conformity. Top-notch manufacturing. Now let's get the show on the road.
Fuel access go for main engine
Booster,
start.
3 engines ready.
Ignition sequence start.
Good throttles on board flight.
Rocket is on internal power. All vents open.